Hello all, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine today. So on this very fine day, we have a small mod video. Here is my Bluetooth receiver module, which is basically connected to any device that doesn't has Bluetooth connectivity, for example my custom built PC. And guess what is the problem? Here is my PC or CPU. Here is me trying to sit and edit videos for you guys. And यहाँ हमारी party नहीं हो रही है. There is no party. This is work. And guess what happens? The Bluetooth gets disconnected. This is just 1.2 meters and Bluetooth gets disconnected. To solve this very big problem with a tiny solution, we are going to replace the antenna of this USB receiver. So let's roll that intro. So guys, before we start making our antenna and everything, let's first unbox this thing and understand how it works. So to remove the cover, you just have to poke in your finger in here and the top cover should be off. And after that is removed, you just have to remove the casing, which is very easy. After that casing is removed, you just have to, give this a little jerk and we have our circuit. Here we have our circuit. It has a unknown IC, which is the main IC, or you can say controller. Then we have a resonator, or you can say crystal oscillator, and there is our antenna pads. Here are a few complementary components. On the back side we have USB bus. So you need to understand that this antenna is a very directional antenna, and this is approximately a quarter wavelength, that is 30 mm or 37 mm approximately. So what we need to do is to change this antenna from a directional one to omnidirectional one. So we will use a monopole antenna. A monopole antenna is like just a wire. You might have seen it in RC planes, etc., RC remotes, etc. So we are using this simple copper wire with insulation. We will remove the insulation later on. We need to cut this copper wire into a specific length to make it act like an antenna. So we need to do some calculation. So guys, let's bring in our book and punch in some numbers. Oh my god guys, don't leave this video. I'll do the calculations for you. You guys just have to copy the same procedure. But still, I like to show you the calculations so that you understand how it works. Length of antenna, as we know, we are using a quarter wavelength, is lambda by 4. (31.25 mm). So guys, as we saw that we got a length of 31.25 mm on calculations, we will basically use a vernier caliper and mark in 31.25. I have kept it purposely 31.5 because there would be a little bit of error while cutting. There would be a little bit of human error. There might be some other kind of error. So I have just measured up this thing, marked it by folding the ends on this side, and there we have a cute little antenna. So I'll cut it using pliers. I'm trying to be as accurate as possible. So guys, here is the circuit that we removed from the box, or you can say it's enclosure. So as we can see, there is a trace of antenna. So this is the antenna that we made, and we will basically solder them at this point. And here we have it, antenna soldered, or you can say modified. So now let's add a little bit of hot glue to secure this. And there we go. And unfortunately it doesn't fit, so what we will do is plot a groove over here. So we will use our blade and make a groove. It is just perfect. So the logs that we have broken in the process of making this antenna has to be compensated by hot glue. So let's apply a little bit of hot glue at the edges. so that it can close the second part. So it's all done. The only thing that is remaining now is to test it. So let's plug it in our PC and let's see if it's working or not. So here we have opened our Bluetooth options. As soon as I plug in, you should be able to see it. So now here we see Bluetooth options. Let's turn it on. And let's turn on our Bluetooth speakers as well. Let's connect to our Bluetooth speakers. Now this confirms and verifies our test. That means our Bluetooth device is working perfectly. Now I'll do a little test range. So guys, right now I am standing exactly where I usually sit to edit my videos, and my Bluetooth is yet connected. I'll just walk out of my room. So I'm standing at approximately 6 meters of range, and usually at this point it obviously gets disconnected, but magically it is not disconnected yet. So I think we have solved the range issue with this. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So we have successfully modified our antenna of Bluetooth receiver and increased the range. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful, wonderful, lovely, experimental, basic and all those fancy English words tutorial. And if you like this video, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Mission Critical. It's free, guys. I mean, you guys must be hitting on your crushes on DM on Instagram. Just like that, do me a small little favor by hitting the subscribe button. I mean, it's free, come on. You can do that much for your favorite YouTuber, can't you? Anyways, jokes apart, I hope you guys have a great day. So I'll see you in another video. Until that, goodbye, tata, sayonara, shapak khair, alvida.